Odisha, I'm telling you, sir, India is rich in terms of tourism. Like people, they are going to different part of the world. In spite, they should come to. Is they come and see Odisha, sir? It's a big tourism possibility. Tourism only can give Odisha, each and every person in Odisha, they can become millionaire.
About this Pravasi Bharati Divas.
Sir, actually, this kind of day we can say international day, and those who are from India, if they are like suppose if we have family function, all family members they are coming at one place, so we all have kind of cheers, happiness, right? So like, and they can share each other, they can help each other in particular marriage or particular birthday party, or right. So we always feel kind of happiness. So like India, globally they spread it to 180 countries, but like Prime Minister, they invited on behalf of family member, head of the family, Indian family. He invited all the people, and now they all are at one place. So we all are happy to meeting each other, networking, and sharing our ideas, technology, contacts. Financially, we are ready to support. Like recently, we a lot of new manufacturing plant come into India, Apple and all. So it's a big opportunity, and India is basically lacking only in manufacturing. If India can spread in develop manufacturing capacity, then only we can develop the jobs. Otherwise, we cannot develop that. That's why these kind of networking, this kind of international days, Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is required. With particular, we should have kind of objective, kind of target, and those who are really interested, those who wanted to invest, those who wanted to connect to the world, we should have separate meeting one-to-one after this also. It should not be finished 3 days only. That should continue for another 30 years.
आप तो उड़ीसा आए हैं, उड़ीसा का क्या आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा?
Odisha, I'm telling you, sir, India is rich in terms of tourism. Like people, they are going to different part of the world. In spite, they should come to. They come and see Odisha, sir. It's a big tourism possibility. Tourism only can give Odisha, each and every person in Odisha, they can become millionaire. This kind of tourism possibility is there in Odisha. So I think this is the right place. Like every year, whenever they organize the Pravasi Bharatiya, they should highlight India, such state like Odisha, so people can come and enjoy tourism.